I chose Ohio State because I knew they had an amazing agriculture college and I knew that's what I wanted to study. I came in not sure of what I wanted to study in agriculture, but then after my first semester here, I decided on studying agronomy and animal sciences.
So I grew up on a farm and I knew I wanted to have an agriculture major. And when I looked at the book of all the different majors to choose, I ended up going on job search sites and seeing what jobs were out there currently. And when I looked at agronomy my freshman year, there were tons of jobs all through Ohio. And based on that, and then growing up on a farm and liking to be around the row cropping, I decided to pick agronomy.
Agronomy is kind of the science of agricultural production. So looking at how we can manage both crops and the environment to maximize the production of some sort of output, be it food or fuel or even fiber.
I did my undergraduate as a major in agronomy, and I chose to continue on in the graduate program because I kind of knew I wanted to become an agronomist at some point in time in the industry, and I kind of needed that research background. And I figured I loved it here so much, I would continue on, and I'm glad I have. It's been a really, really awesome experience.